Let me just tell you the way radio got introduced to me. I'll tell you. So earlier, when I was not working with Radio Mirchi, I thought that how does this work out? Like, how do they plan? I had so many questions in mind. But when I started coming here, like when I started working with Radio Mirchi, then I understood that all the programs are divided in day parts. Like there is a morning jog who comes at 5:30 in the morning in the studio, because she has the show starting at 7 o'clock. So she comes prepared. She reads all the newspaper in the morning. She scrolls through Instagram. She scrolls through all the social media pages, and visits all the actors pages, what they have talked, what they have not talked, and then she figures out ki what exactly I should talk to people. For example, now morning show starts by 7 early in the morning and ends by 12 o'clock. So in every hour, one RJ talks thrice, three times. So if you have to talk for like 5 hours, you need to have that much content. You can't talk about one thing for 5 hours. So radio jockey comes and they figure out what
Mr. A little louder, please.
Am I audible now?
You're clear. You are very clear.
Okay. तो रेडियो जॉकी कम्स एंड फिगर आउट ऐसे कौन से 15 से 20 टॉपिक में आज लूं जिसके बारे में लोग इंटरेस्टेड रहेंगे. तो फॉर एग्जांपल आज की चीजें बताता हूं मैं. तो आज रेडियो जॉकी सुबह सुबह आया होगा और उसने सोचा होगा कि 1 बिलियन वैक्सीन दिए. आज रेडियो जॉकी वापस आया होगा और सोचा होगा कि आज मोदी जी क्या बात करेंगे 10 बजे. कुछ बम फोड़ेंगे या फिर कुछ नया शॉकिंग न्यूज देंगे हमें या फिर क्या होने वाला है वो सोचते हैं. फिर रेडियो जॉकी किसी से तो फोन पे भी बात करते. रेडियो जॉकी बोलते कि आप अगर ट्रैवल कर रहे हो और आपको अगर ट्रैफिक लगता है तो मुझे कॉल करो, मुझे बताओ ट्रैफिक कहाँ पे, और हम दोनों मिलके लोगों से बात करेंगे. उसके अलावा ऐसे ही अलग अलग टॉपिक्स निकालते हैं और वो लोग बात करते हैं. तो उनका एक ही मुद्दा होता है रेडियो जॉकी का. उनको ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग जो हमें सुन रहे हैं उनके कंपेनियन बने. क्योंकि अक्सर हम लोग देखते हैं रेडियो कौन सुनता है. रेडियो वो लोग सुनते हैं जो कार में अकेले ड्राइव करते होते हैं और उनको कोई तो कंपनी चाहिए होती है, कोई तो साथी चाहिए होता है कि हाँ मेरे से कोई तो बात करे, मुझे कोई तो गाने सुनाए. रेडियो वो लोग सुनते हैं जो घर पे खाना बना रहे दोपहर को. रेडियो ऐसे लोग सुनते हैं जो लोग शॉप में बैठे हैं, कस्टमर्स नहीं आया इसलिए बोर हो रहे हैं, तो उनको कंपनी बोल के रेडियो सुनते हैं काफी लोग. तो हमने काफी रिसर्च करके ये समझा है कि लोग रेडियो तब सुनते हैं जब उनको कोई कंपेनियन चाहिए होता है. तो आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज है. बिफोर मी टॉकिंग देयर इज अ
हाय नमस्कार. हॅलो हाय, माझं नाव निधी आहे आणि विशाल राईट नाव माझ्या स्टुडिओ मध्ये माहित नाही काय करतोय. माझा शो सुरू होणार आहे तर मी 2 मिनिटात.
निधी संध्याकाळचा शो करती. निधी डज इव्हनिंग शो फॉर अस इन पुणे. सो शी इज going to show how she talks to people. What I was telling you, right? She becomes a companion. Now she is going to tell you.
तो माझं मराठी इतकं काही भारी नाहीये. ओ ग्रेट अमेझिंग. पण पुण्यात मराठीत होता तो to give a local connect and feel as to talk in Marathi. तो मेरा मराठी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. That's the reason आम्ही 90.3 मिरचीवर म्हणतो की बुरा ना मानू निधी आहे आणि इथलं मराठी वाकडं तिकडे. तर ह्या सायलेंट वर ना सगळ्यांचे विशाल फोन सायलेंट. ओके ग्रेट.
Everyone please.
गुड. तो मी आता जेव्हा बोलेल ना तर तिकडे आमचा एक ऑनर असतो तर तो लाईव्ह लागते म्हणजे ऑनर आहे. तर मला 5:40 ऑन करेल आणि मग मी लाईव्ह जाणार. 90.3 मिरची ऐकताय तुम्ही. बरोबर मानून निधी नाव कारण माझं मराठी आहे. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे ना आपल्या पुण्याचा जो एअरपोर्ट आहे तो बंद झालेला आहे की नाही. आय थिंक 2 आठवड्यासाठी बंद असणार. आय थिंक सगळं पुणेकरांनी डिसाईड केलंय की आपण मुंबईवरून ट्रेन से और मुंबई से फ्लाइट झालेली 17 ऑक्टोबरला मुंबई से 91,000 लोग have flown out in other cities. अच्छा 90,000 लोग अपन पुणे कभी रहेंगे तो यहाँ से भागे होंगे वहां पर तुम कहीं से कहीं भाग रहे होगे ट्रैफिक लग रहा होगा तो मैं तुम्हारा व्हाट्सएप पे मिसाएगा if you want to 93 92 98.2 बोलने वाला नहीं दिखता है थैंक यू अभी तुम ये कर दो पर मुझे 10 मिनट का फिर से चाहिए
हाँ
That was a nice surprise, Vishal.
What? That was what?
That was a very nice surprise. We got to see a DJ.
RJ.
RJ, sorry. Yes, good.
Girls, I would say.
Really? Very nice surprise. Good surprise.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So before I would say instead of me talking a lot, let's do it this way that you ask me questions about radio, whatever questions you have, however small it is, big it is, we'll try and answer it. So before you start answering, questioning, let me just tell you what all people work in radio station. So in radio, okay. So there is some small disturbance. Yeah. So am I audible to everybody?
Vishwa, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yeah, I did. So in radio station, there are two branches working. So one branch is creative branch. Second branch is sales branch. So sales people go to the market, talk to clients, talk to retailers, talk to brands, and they get business for us. So whatever advertisements you listen on the radio, sales people get that advertisement, get that business, and that's how we earn our bread and butter. So that is sales people. Apart from that, in the creative team, we have RJs. You just heard Nidhi. She's from Nagpur, but she's doing shows in Pune. So there are RJs. There are copywriters who write everything that you listen to. There are music producers who compose everything. They compose advertisement, they compose jingles, they compose every soundscape on the on-air studio. There are producers. The producers are someone who tell RJ what to talk, around what the city is revolving. Producers talk to collectors, commissioners, and get interviews for the RJs. Producers also think about the music, and they think about what sort of music should be played in which time band. So for example, if you're in the night, so maybe you are in a mood and you're listening to a very calm chilled out show, and that time if Sheila Ki Jawani song plays, your mood will be spoiled, right? So we figure out according to the mood what sort of song should be played. So we all decided. So copywriters are there, RJs are there, show producers are there, producers are there, and there is a programming head. So I work as a programming head who looks after all the creative members. So this is what the radio team is. So now we can move to questions. So
Vishal, I
maybe
have a
we can-
question.
Yes.
Vishal, so when you're saying it is all like copywriters write and that's what they RJs talk. So
No,
does that
copywriters.
mean
Copywriters write for the advertisements and promos and jingles.
अच्छा, so जो RJ बात करते हैं वो spontaneous होता है या scripted होता है?
आरजे जो बात करते हैं वो खुद की लिखी हुई चीजों पे बात करते हैं. तो वो लोग
तो कंटेंट उनका रहता है.
हाँ, कंटेंट उनका खुद का रहता है. वो लोग सोचते पहले, मतलब अगर किसी का शो 5 बजे शुरू हो रहा है तो वो आरजे दोपहर को 2 बजे ही ऑफिस में आ जाती है, फिर सारी चीजों का रिसर्च करती है, लोगों से बात करती है. 3-4 घंटे के लिए वो प्रिपरेशन करती है, लिख कर रखती है, और फिर हर टाइम पे अगले 2-4 घंटे के लिए वो फिर बात करती है.
Okay.
जी जी,
This,
बट उन्हीं का कंटेंट होता है वो.
okay. Thank you. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yes.
Any questions from anybody? Please unmute your ask your
Yeah.
question.
I want to
Yeah.
ask when she's
Yeah.
when RG says something, is it
Yes.
in front of her and she reads it from there, or it's spontaneous when she talks? She just starts talking about different things, or it's in front of her on the screen to read it.
No, on the screen there are softwares. So screen to screen, I won't be able to show you, but
Okay.
on the screen there are softwares. Software which manages the software is called Zeta. The software is called RCS. You can Google it and understand more. So on the screen, this software manages songs and they manages everything, like what programs are there and everything,
No,
advertisements.
what
and
she
all.
means is जो वो
No.
बोलती हैं वो
I'm coming.
हाँ, sorry. Okay.
I was just coming to it. So whatever they talk, they have different things. Like now you heard Nidhi. She came and she spoke spontaneously because she knew she wants to talk about airport is closed. And she had a joke in her mind that only Pune people will travel so desperately even in the COVID situation. And they're traveling to Mumbai and then Mumbai, so they are flying somewhere else. So and she also asked about traffic. Let me know what is the traffic scene. So that was spontaneous. But if RJ have to talk about some numbers, so those numbers are written in their diaries or their papers, and then they read out from there. If it's a very detailed information that they have, then they read out. Other than that, they're just prepared in their mind and they talk about it.
One more thing, if on my birthday, if on somebody's birthday, I want to send a song, request a song. So how do you go about it?
So earlier that used to happen. Earlier we had a liberty of playing any song, but now we can't because the songs that you listen to are from the certain labels like T Series, Saregamapas, Z Music, Raj. So we have to pay those labels if you're playing some song, and there are contracts and so many things. So we can't randomly play any song. Earlier that used to happen in Akashvani.
Yeah, I remember before.
Yeah. There were like laws were easy. But since you asked about RJs talking, let me tell you a good, very nice fact.
Yeah.
Many times RJ, they are sitting in an empty room and they're talking to a screen. Many people, many RJs can't talk to themselves. They can't talk to mic. So what they do is they keep their family's photo in front of them, and they pretend like they're talking to somebody, or they keep their friend's photo in front of them, or they keep the mirror in front of them. So at least there is someone whom they are talking to. Few RJs can't sit and talk, so they stand up and they like dancing and talking to each other. So few RJs are active, because it is also said that if you're sitting and talking, you're a little bit relaxed, but if you're standing, you're a little bit alert and your voice comes like that. So everyone has their own style of talking and preparing shows.
Any other questions? You can unmute yourself.
Yeah, I want to know. So the voice is the main thing over here. You must have a good voice.
Not exact. Earlier there was the consent, the problem, sorry, that there should be a good voice that you talk in. Like if you remember, Amitabh Bachchan was rejected in Akashvani because he had raw voice. He had very heavy voice. That's why he was rejected. But now what I judge people from is voices are fine. It is like God given. You should have that skill of modulation, voice modulation. Am I audible?
You're very clear.
Yeah. So now what I ask people is, whoever come for the interview, I figure out their content, like how they talk, how they articulate, what is their opinion, are they nationalist, are they against few things, are they extremist. So we try and separate people who are extremists, and we only take those people who are very interesting, who can make out things, who can talk. whoever it is in front of them, and they can just engage in the discussion. So we take interesting people, and voice is secondary nowadays, so that they should not bore you.
I'm sure I
Before
can get a job. I'm sure I can get a job as RJ.
Yeah, I am sure. I have one vacancy. Fly down to Pune anytime.
I don't mind.
Which program gets the highest listenership?
So the way it is for the television, there are prime times in radio also. So morning 9 to 12 and evening 5 to 9. In this time, people are either driving to work or driving back home. In this time, we get highest listenership.
After TVs have come, so radio is still as popular as it was before?
Fortunately, yes. Yeah, because for TV, we have, for TV, yeah. So for TV, we got alternative like telephone and, like mobile phones and OTT platforms and everything. For radio, we also have like curated playlists like Spotify and Ghana and all these things. But many times, as I said earlier, people like someone talking to them. People sometimes get bored of their own playlist. Like I am. I don't like listening to my own playlist sometimes. So I want someone else to play songs for me. So that time I listen to radio. Then, yeah. So people listen to radio for the stories. People listen to radio for, different things that are played on it, for the content different. Yeah.
Yes, after Amin Sayani's Radio Ceylon, Radio Mirchi, no program has been as popular as that.
He is, like you say, na, Amin Sayani is a king of radio station. He always had a very nice voice, soothing voice. He knew what to talk. So it was a God gift. So there's no.
With everybody with a mobile in hand, and
one question
they are at home to watch the TV. So what's the role of radio that as a broadcasting media? Like even if it's not there, so no, you think somebody misses radio? They've got mobile in hand.
Yeah. So actually,
they are hearing the news, they are getting everything what is happening.
Right. So for people who have mobiles in their hand, they are the younger generation, if we are talking about. So your nephews and nieces, if they are on the phone every time, so they are also listening to a very interesting form of radio. They're listening to online radio, or maybe they are listening to curated playlists. They're listening to podcasts. So the radio's medium has changed. So like now we are also not creating content only for radio station. We are creating content for podcast also. We are creating content for Ghana.com also. So for the people who will always have phones in their hand, so we are creating programs for them. So there are alternative radios nowadays, web radios that we call.
Yes, Radio Mirchi used to have some quiz programs, and there used to be very attractive prizes for that. So I think 2 o'clock used to be a time for the housewives. Radio Mirchi chalu karo, I get a prize. Free film, city cinema tickets, and it used to be interesting that way. So you can please introduce some gimmicks, like people get interested in it.
So let me give you a tip. If you are in Mumbai and you are interested in prizes, during Diwali, we are going to play a contest called De Danadan Diwali. Dan Danadan Diwali. And every hour there's going to be a prize that RJs are going to give. You just have to listen to Radio Mirchi, then Jitu Raj, Naneshwari, or Shardul, or Prerna, these RJs from Mumbai, they are going to give prizes afternoon and evening, every hour one prize during Diwali. So that's a tip for you.
Wow. So get ready for the prizes.
Yeah.
Listen to
Don't-
Radio
don't-
Mirchi.
don't-
Huh?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I really liked your talk very much.
Thank you so much.
It was really nice.
Yeah.
And really good hard work you all are putting. Too much of hard work, the whole team. We are very grateful to you all because we love listening to music and radio.
Wow.
And now behind the scene, we just came to know the hard work you all put in. So
Yes.
thank you very much.
I'm flattened. Like, thank you so much. We'll always work this way.
Thank you, Vishal.
Hello, Vishal.
Yes, someone. Yeah.
जाते जाते एक लाइन कोई गाना गा के जाओ.
नहीं आपका पूरा प्रोग्राम खराब हो जाएगा. मैं गा दूंगा. नहीं, मुझसे मत गवाओ. मैं बहुत अच्छा गाना नहीं गाता हूँ मैं.
कोई बात नहीं है, कुछ भी. Any line. Any line you would love to hear from you.
Vishal, one question. Vishal, for Farmaishni Hindi song, how they contact? They give phone number, but they say so fast that before we write it down, that number gets over. For Farmaishni Hindi film song.
For nowadays, I answered this earlier also. Nowadays, there are no Hindi songs requests on the Mirchi. Like, we have so many contracts that we got into with labels. Now we can't take Farmaish.
Okay. Thank you.
Because we have contracts with the label and it has to go in a certain manner, and then there is a music policy and so many things that are there in the planning.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Interesting
Vishal.
song.
It was really very nice.
Vishal,
Yes.
request is on.
What request is on? I can't sing. I'm so sorry.
आप गा दीजिए ना विशाल
हाँ,
के
please,
रेडियो पे. आप लोग
please.
गाइए, कोई एक जन गा दीजिए.
I'm very bad singer, so sorry. I have
अच्छा
no
कोई
confidence.
लोरी गा दो अपने बच्चे के लिए. लोरी वो गाओ.
Vishal, I want to ask you, this is state sponsored, na? Radio is still state sponsored, na?
No.
No?
So Radio Mirchi is a sister company of Times of India Group. So it's a
Okay.
private limited company.
No, but other mostly is it a state sponsored radio?
No, only Akashvani is state sponsored.
Only-
Apart from that, all are like private radio stations.
Okay.
Yes, these are like commercial radio stations.
Okay.
Yes. I'm so sorry for the song request, Shehnaz.
Vishal, I'm sure that, if you request our members to actually sing a song, they will oblige.
Please. Anybody who likes singing.
It's nice to see seniors, embarrassed right now. It's so nice.
Shanaz aunty, you are muted. You can unmute yourself. No, you need to unmute.
Vishal always mutes me because I talk a lot.
I don't have authority to mute. Hosts have the authority to mute. Who's the host?
I don't know. The host. अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं. लोगे जब तुम होगे जुमेरात को ना आधी रात को. अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं. शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. आदाब. सत श्री अकाल.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone. You are very lively. You're very lively. Thank you so much for making my day so happy and wonderful.
Have a nice day. Good day.
Bye.
Now I'll get a job. Now I'll get a job.
Definitely. I did not sing for you. You will get a job.
Yes.